I'm going to create a branch circuit takeoff today for a student that is still having a little trouble understanding the steps. I'm going to import a very simple drawing, but it has all the steps that you need to do a large drawing. It's the same motions. So we're going to start by hitting takeoff drawings. We're going to import the drawing. I think most everybody has this part down. Forgot what I called this drawing. Help for power takeoff. So I'm going to import the drawing. Yes, I'm sure. It's going to show up right here for review. That's the drawing I'm looking for. So now I just go to create takeoff, create a new takeoff, hit OK with the takeoff name, select the drawing. Now I'm going to hold the control key down and use my roller mouse to get this in the perfect view. So I'm happy with that view right there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count these receptacles. So I select a group. I'm going to call it receptacles. I'm going to go super slow. I'm going to create a tag. I'm going to call this D for duplex. You could call it R for receptacle, or you could do any way you want it to. I'm going to edit the tag. I'm going to make it round. This is totally not necessary. And since this is a 1/4 inch scale, I'm going to increase the font size. That's how you make the tag larger or smaller. So now I'm ready to count. So I just simply count, click on each of these receptacles. If you make a mistake, you hit mark to delete, put the red X on the mistake, hit delete the tag. Okay, so we're finished with our counts. It's very simple. So now we're going to go to measure. This is one of the many ways that you can measure. We're going to set the scale. I know that this line right here is 100 foot because it was a reference line. So that's all you do to set the scale. So I'm going to enter some measurements. So I'm going to open the library. And although all these are not needed, it's just easier for me to click those and enter them. These are the ones we will be using. So we're going to start off with a 3/4 with 7 number 12s. So I highlight that, go to measure. I'm going to go to the panel. I'll go to the first part of the circuit on both runs. Now I'm going to go down to the panel. So I'm going to click add up and down links. And the next time you click, it adds length of 10 foot, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so these are going to be 20-foot ceilings. So I'm going down to the panel 20 foot, which is a little more than needed, but we're going to add 20 foot to each of these. So now we're going to go to 1/2 inch with 5 number 12s. So we have 3 circuits in this conduit. So the first circuit catches these two, the next circuit catches these two, and the same on this. And then the last part of the circuit is going to be 3. So it's that simple. We're actually finished with this. Now you're going to ask me, what about the down links for these receptacles? I'm going to show you an easy way to include that on the estimate. But I want you to understand that I caught 3 circuits, a 2, a 4, a 6, in 1 3/4 inch pipe. I carried 3 circuits to here, 2 circuits to here, and then 1 circuit to the end. So once you've finished that, you're just going to go save and close. Go back to the estimate. So I'm going to go to receptacles, new, and then I'm going to add my count viewer. So I have 12 receptacles. So I'm going to enter the quantity of 12. The distance apart is set at 20 foot. So I'm going to leave that 20 foot. So that's going to take care of my vertical run in this estimate. So that's going to give the 20-foot vertical run I need for each estimate. So all I have to do is hit Save Assembly Details, and you have that covered. You can put Complete, and then you're finished with that. Go back to the control panel. Now you have to enter your branch circuits. These branch circuits are laid out just like the library. So I'm going to open this up where you can see it. I normally select a round up, but so 1/2 inch with 3 number 12s, we have 90 foot. So we'll put 90 foot there. 1/2 inch with 5 number 12s, I'm going to call that 110 foot. I'm going to mark these 2 complete. And 3/4 with 7 number 12s, I'm going to call that 150 foot, because that's what it would have been if I'd have rounded it up. So now we are complete. Save Assembly Details. We have completely entered those receptacles. It's as easy as that. If there were 600, it'd be the same steps as we just went through. It's just as easy as that. If you have any problem with it now, please give me a call. We'll create another video. Help you any way we can. As always, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.